So in this Apple Notes app tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to italicize some text here on the Apple Notes application. So once you have Apple Notes opened up, simply just type in whatever you want. So this is italicized text. As you can tell, nothing's italicized. If you want to italicize something, let's just italicize the word italicized here. To keep it simple, double tap on the word, go to the middle bar right here, press on the far left where there's a capital A and a lowercase a, where it says format. Beside the B and the U, there's that I that is curved. I guess slanted. Press on that, and then it'll now italicize the word that you're looking for. Then press on done. Then, as you can tell, the word italicized is now italicized. So super duper simple, super straightforward. That is how to italicize text on the Apple Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.